Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, my name is Desiree, but I go by the Motley Girl on social media. So today's video is all about facial hair, but more specifically, facial hair during perimenopause. I'm 45 years old now, and yes, while I've always had hair, on my upper lip, I feel like during perimenopause, it's growing more frequently, so I'm having to wax more and more often. So today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I wax my upper lip and, unfortunately, my chin at home. Eventually, I'm also going to give laser a try because you want to give laser a try before the hair turns gray, because otherwise the laser is not going to be able to recognize, the gray hair because there's no pigment in gray hair. Instead of using like the regular wax with the strips, I like to use the hard wax beads. I feel like these are better because they don't leave the sticky residue. I also use these because I do like my own leg and underarm, etc. I feel like I get a better pull with this hard wax. So I'm going to be using my Ferrimo wax warmer. Now this consistency right here, you do not want this consistency because this actually means that the wax is too hot. You want the consistency and texture of like honey. You want it to be thick but still pliable so that you can actually maneuver and use the wax. So this is the consistency that you want. It's still nice and pliable, but it's not dripping and runny like it was before. You also want to make sure that your skin is nice and clean and dry. I'm going to use a tiny little handheld mirror so that I can see. And you always want to go in the direction of the hair. And you want to create like a little lip at the end so that you have room so that you're able to pull. Try not to go over the same area twice because that can cause irritation. So I try to make sure I get everything with the first pull. So it's nice and hard. So again, I'm going to pull taut, lift up that little bit lip at the bottom and pull. I'm going to try to see if I can get super close to show you guys. You see that? Now let's do the other side. So again, create that little like tiny lip. Make sure it's on really good. Again, that's dry. I'm going to tap, hold taut, and pull. Another really good pull. I feel like I got a really nice pull. You see? Nice and clean. Now let's do the chin situation. Now the chin, I feel like I don't have as much hair. There's like little scragglers here and there. But I just do go over the whole, entire area. I also do right here. There's a little bit of a little patch there. You see that? This part right here is very sensitive. And then again, just so if you guys want to buy everything, I have everything available in my Amazon shop. I'll put everything down below. I've had this wax kit, the pot, for probably like 3 or 4 years or so. So it holds up really well. So again, pull skin nice and taut. Grab the lip. So again, like I said, I try not to go over the same area twice. And then I'm just going to do under here. I don't know about you. Do you guys have like that random hair that sticks out of the side of your neck? Because I do. And I've been waxing myself for about, the other day I did the math. I've been doing my own waxes for like 20 years now. I also do my own eyebrows too. And believe it or not, I do my own Brazilians too. I obviously cannot show a tutorial of that because there's too much that's going to be exposed. That really doesn't have a lot of hair there. Like I said, I really don't have much in the chin area. It's just little, little straggly hairs here and there. And I also recently started waxing my underarms. If you have not tried underarm waxing, you really might want to give it a try. Your hair grows so much finer. Now it is painful, but your hair grows so much thinner. Like, I love it. I'm hooked. Yeah, so there's really not a lot of hair under here. I just do like a little, I also love this wax because it doesn't leave any residue. Like, there's nothing left on my face. No, nothing. So here's a close-up. Right? Everything is gone. Nice and smooth. So now that I'm done, I just put a thin layer of castor oil on just to help, soothe the skin. If you want, you can use aloe vera gel, but I just typically use castor oil. So if you guys like this video, make sure you hit that like button. Also, comment down below and let me know, what's your choice for hair removal? Is it waxing? Do you shave? Do you use depilatory creams? Or do you just leave it alone? Don't forget to subscribe and, of course, turn on your notifications because you do not want to miss any videos. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.